Hi guys, Anne Marie here, and today I'll be organizing my wood veneer. In my organizational videos, I'll work on a project, sped up a little bit, but without any editing, so that you can pull out a project of your own and work alongside me, maybe even organizing wood veneer like me, and then I'll pop in whenever I want to have a chat about something. But if you'd rather not play along, you can just click directly to those spots at the links in the description box below. So, my overall strategy with my wood veneer is to divide them by size. I had them organized by shape before, but now I've kind of used them up enough. I can sort the remaining types of wood veneer by size and be really specific about it. I've been having trouble, for example, finding the teeny tiny stars because the big pieces of everything else were kind of clogging up my system and covering it up, so I couldn't see those. As I sort them, you can see that I'm stacking up the bigger pieces. I found that really helpful to kind of ensure that they were actually the same size, because sometimes I'd look at a piece and I'd feel like, oh, that's smaller, or oh, that's completely, that's bigger, that's a different one. And then I would stack them up and no, it's the same one. It's the same size. So that really helped me. And it also made it a lot easier to put the bigger pieces back into the container and just to keep everything separated while I organized. All right, so I'm going to hop out. You can check the description box for the next link if you'd like, or you can just go ahead and play along. Here we go. right, so now that everything is sorted by size, I'm going to put them in their container. I have this bright pink divided container that I got eons ago at Dollar Tree, I believe. The crucial part about this box, so when you're looking for something yourself, is that there are lips on the lid that fit snugly around the inside edge of each of these compartments. This works brilliantly because it keeps everything in its own little box. I did find a few very similar boxes or ones that had that same concept of very separated storage, and I've put those in the description box below. They are affiliate links, which just means that at no additional cost to you, I might receive a small commission if you purchase through the link. All right, so I have a few oddballs or one-offs, and I'm just going to put all of those together. Otherwise, my wood veneer is now separated by size. It feels so much more useful. I've bought a lot of wood veneer like from Freckled Fawn clearances, but I've really used up my like heavy hitters, like my hearts and my butterflies. I apparently like to use those a lot. And as I was organizing this, I was kind of like, oh, I need to go buy more hearts and butterflies. Ooh, and cameras. I like those cameras. But honestly, I've got stickers, I've got die cuts, I've got punches that would work just as well. So I'm going to try to avoid the consumerism monster and just work with what I've got and use up what I have. And I got to stem the tide somehow. My space is pretty full and I want to use my stash, not just organize it like this. I want to actually use it. All right, so that's all done. This whole holiday weekend, I've been posting a video every day. I've shared a layout process, another 6x6 paper pad to cards tutorial, a layout share with summer themes. Tomorrow there's going to be another layout process, so I hope you'll check those out. If you enjoy my videos, you can subscribe so you don't miss any. On one of my more popular videos, I had like 90% of my viewers were unsubscribed. So I hope that you've enjoyed my content enough that I've earned your subscription. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Have a great day. Bye.